Hey guys, happy Saturday. I'm just gonna get early with you guys. Just doing some skincare. I just washed my face with water this morning. I normally do skincare at night or wash it with soap. I did this toner by Fresh, and then I also did the Clinique moisturizer so far. And then I'm gonna put on, I guess I could do a little eye cream. This is the Bioderma one. I need to get another one. It's running low. How you guys doing this morning? Or wherever, what time it is, where you're from. I'm just gonna put it right here in the orbic bone and work it around. Little everyday makeup. I have it organized and separated, so it's easy for me to get to. Just need to grab my brushes. And then I'm gonna restyle my curly fro hawk. Probably put a little gel in it. Just restyle it. Okay, I wear glasses most of the time, and I have contacts, but I'm just lazy to wear them. So let's put them on with you guys. HYDROGRIP, just a little. Just getting ready for the day. Going in with the JACLYN Hill Blurring, Skin Perfecting Blurring Tint in Deep Rich. And I'm just gonna take some and put this on my face with my hands and then use a brush. This isn't a foundation, it's just like a blurring tint. And it's nice for every day. Very good for summertime, not like heavy, cakey. Not cakey, but you know how when you're wearing like a full face of makeup, you can feel it. You see how they just blurred my skin? The Soft Matte Concealer in Chocolate. And on a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm just gonna take some. And I'm starting here and just working that product up. That way, I don't have a lot of product or concealer sitting under my creases or my bags under my eyes. And then I'm gonna swirl the remaining of this on my lid to color correct and use as an eyeshadow base. Difference. Right underneath those bags. Kabuki brush and press everything into the skin. A blush brush from e.l.f. But I like to use it to set the under eyes or set the highlighted areas. And I'm just gonna work that blush into my face. I'm gonna take this brush and just set that under eye. Avoiding where I put the cream blush, because I'm not gonna set that. So I'm setting all that places where I put concealer. Putting them in separate containers so I can get to them faster on an everyday basis instead of having to search through all my makeup. That alone just takes time. So, oh, I'm sorry. I did Essence Clear Brow Gel. This is Lash and Brow. And this doesn't give you hope, but I like it because it just kind of gets my brows up. And this is a quick brow look. I'm not carving out anything. I'm just defining and filling in my tail on this one. And just doing a little bit. Revolution bronzer. And I'm going to start putting it in my crease. And then slightly like using it to like contour my nose. Give me some shadow, some natural shadow. Then I'm going to lift my eye up and then Place that bronzer right underneath my lash line and connect it to the corner and the inner crease of my eye. You see how this gives it natural, not natural, but it gives it a shadow, a nice warm shadow. That's what I'm looking for. And for my base, I just use my concealer and I set it with the DERMABLEND loose powder. This is the Urban Decay Loose Shadow in Buck. It's a nice like taupey brown gray color. And I like it because it gives a nice shadow. And I'm using the same brush and I'm just putting it on my mobile lid. And you see how it's giving me like a nice soft matte look. I just love this for every day. Because it looks like I have a smoky eye on, but it looks like kind of like my natural shadows in my eyes. Mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise in Blackest Black. How this looks so natural, like my cheeks and the eyes. It's not doing too much. Of course, you can do an inner tear duct highlight. I'm not going to do that. NYX, the Suede Matte Lip Pencil and Club Hopper. And this is NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap. Look how this, I just love this look. I'm gonna take my MAC Gold Deposit, take a little of this, and put a little on my nose. I'm like, you know how this is just, it gives you that glow from within. I really don't need any on the cheek. I'm just gonna put a little here, and a little on the bridge of my nose. Wipe some of this off, and just a little above my brows. I really don't need it because I didn't set the rest of my face. Actually, let me set the rest. Finishing powder from Maybelline. Love this. Boop, 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 boop. I take my Milk Hydro Grip Spray and spray the face. And then his face. I think it looks fabulous. What do you guys think? For me, I'm a full glam girl, so this looks gives me like full glam vibes, but without so many steps and with specific products that I like to use. Let's quickly refresh this hair. So I did a wash and go a few days ago, but I just used cream. Normally I use that cream and a gel, but I didn't this time. So let's see. I'm just gonna just look over here a little bit. And then I need a clip. I need a hair clip. I'm just gonna put a little gel in this front part. It was 40 bucks when I got it. It's in my Amazon if you're interested in getting something similar. It's very lightweight. You can diffuse, you can concentrate, or you can take this off and blow dry your hair. And they do have a nozzle, so I can use this with a hooded dryer. So I'm gonna get off here. And I'll see you later. Bye.